Papa Roller Gang family, you already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy TB. Welcome back to another edition of Rolling with TB. You heard me? Alright y'all, it's Sunday, May 2nd. It's a good morning from us because it's early in the morning. We're about to go catch our flight to our secret vacation. But this is the new Benz that we end up picking up in Houston. You see, no shattered window and all that. Basically what happened, we went shopping at the Galleria, we bought some stuff, went to Turkey Leg Hut, ate. It's dark, like it's really dark. You can't even see that. So you literally have to, I guess, come up on it, peep in there just to see what was in there. We had some bags and stuff in there from the Louis store. They stole all our stuff. Nothing we can really do about it. I had full coverage on the rental, so that everything taken care of. But right now, I'm about to put all our luggage in the plane. I mean, on the in the car, and head to the airport. I'm gonna see how when we get to the airport. Rolly.
On the back, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einstein, come aboard, get ready to explore. We're going on a secret vacation. What's up? Alright y'all, so we checked in, man. We're going on a secret vacation. They haven't taken off yet. We're on a plane. We got some really decent seats, if you can see. Really decent seats. So I appreciate that. But listen, check in. Going on the international flight, it's kind of interesting, man. I wonder how long is it gonna be like this for people who travel overseas and stuff like that, because now they got like some facial recognition stuff, COVID test before you can go, COVID test when you get back. Like, it's just so much to do now instead of just booking your flight and going. So we gonna see. This is her first trip internationally. So it's gonna be kind of dope, man. I'm glad that I can do this with her on my birthday. What a great guy I am. But listen, everybody's boarding right now, so we should be taking off soon. I'm gonna see y'all in the sky. Rolly guy, Rolly gang. Woo. It is hot out here. Just made it to Montego Bay, Jamaica. Montego Bay, Jamaica. That was the secret. We were coming to Jamaica. Taxi here to pick us up. Headed to our hotel. Hopefully we get a dope room. Do a dope room tour too. Rainy. Really rainy. Texas? Yeah. It's supposed to rain here all week? Huh? Is it supposed to rain here all week?
If it even rain just for a few minutes, then it's gone again, you know?
Okay.
The sun comes out back.
Perfect. Perfect.
So that's another thing I saw. Birthday. Which day?
Tuesday, May 4th.
Oh man, I'm a May guy myself. I'm the 25th. Yeah. Holla, right here.
Yes,
so I know.
sir.
All right, so right this way, let's take you over to the room. So Tuesday is going to be the birthday. Due to COVID restrictions, we're not allowed to enter the room. So most of everything that we're going to do is I'm going to, tell you where everything's at, and you're going to have a beautiful balcony. Yeah, oh man, I'm going to wait till you get in.
I know it's a swim up something.
Yeah. You're going to love it. Welcome to your suite.
What's birthday bash?
Yeah, it's a birthday bash.
Dang.
All right. So the curtain is automatic. So you don't break the curtain.
It's not. Where the button at?
Right over here. All right, so below the thermostat, you'll have the curtain arrows left or right. So just hold it down for a couple seconds. Pull the curtain back. You'll see what I'm talking about.
This way?
Yep.
Oh, man. Oh, dang.
Somebody's gonna get weird tonight.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right, so we try to ensure that you guys have 2 chairs out there, because I know you were coming through as 2. That way you can just relax in the balcony. As I mentioned, anytime you're ready, just give us a call. First thing I want to indicate is this box right here. Got a good some. I know the birthday's not until Tuesday, but for the entire week, it's gonna be your birthday. So we started off with, of course, happy birthday, man.
Thank you.
And you can just, we got some more stuff here you can just pull out. That's Jamaican style. Appleton.
Okay.
King's rum.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Okay. So everything here is all included. Everything in there is for you. Everything is just fully sanitized and covered. So have fun. This is your closet. Slide down. You got a full mirror in front of the shower. As I said, go crazy. Yes, man. So we're here to have fun. Myself and Reynard will be taking care of you. We're going to ensure you have a blast.
Okay.
Our number is pre-programmed in the cell phone over there. So, of course, have a blast. Anything you need, give us a call.
Okay.